everyone, today we are here at ZENSEI AUTO with Mr. Martin from Norway. So we have to be a little short interview for him. Our first question is, why do you choose our store, or how do you know our store?
Yeah, because I didn't know any shops in Thailand, so I just Googled, and this place had the best website and the best Facebook page, so yeah, so that was an easy choice. Yeah, and the photos were very nice, yeah, and the information was very good. Yeah.
Thank you. So the next question is, what is the main reason that made you put on the rim?
For practicality, especially the shutter, and the roll bar is just for looks.
So it might more comfortable.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But from maybe preventing from rubber or something else.
Why would it be more comfortable with a roller bar?
Maybe when you are holding something precious.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, the last question is, if you rate us from 1 to 5 star, which rate will you give us?
Yeah, 5.
Thank you, that's very sweet. So, we are welcome every foreign customer. We are here to add one-stop service for all of you guys. Thank you.
Get low when the whistle go.